Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here with 200 millimeters. Okay, select, make a line here with 10 millimeters, 8 millimeters here, 10 millimeters, and 120 millimeters here. Okay, we have this sketch here. Okay, finish the sketch, go to extrude. The direction here is symmetric, measurement whole length, and the distance here 100 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We have this. Now go to modify, select the chamfer, select this edge here and this edge here. The chamfer here is 20 millimeters, equal distance. Press OK. We have this. OK. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here, and select a circle. Make a circle here with 20 millimeters of diameter. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, click here in the midpoint here and the midpoint here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance here is 60 millimeters. Okay. Now select a line. Make a line here. Create an arc here. And create another line here. Okay. Go to coincident. Select this point here and the center here. Okay. Go to constraint, select equal. Make this line equal this line. Okay. Go to constraint, select tangent. Make this line tangent with this arc. Okay. Now go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 25 millimeters. Okay. Let me see why this is blue. Oh, we made the two lines here, sorry. Make this point coincident here. Okay. We have this. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select this profile here. Extrude this to this side here. 20 millimeters, minus 20 millimeters, operation join, and press OK. We have this. Okay. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here, select this circle, make a circle here with 10 millimeters of diameter. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this circle and this edge here is 20 millimeters. And the distance to this circle here and this edge here is 25 millimeters. Okay. Go to create, select the rectangular pattern, select this circle here, the drive direction. Quantity here is 2. And this quantity here is 2. The distance here is 40 millimeters. Okay. And the distance here is 50 millimeters, minus 50 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. Okay. Finish the sketch. Go to extrude. Select this profile here, the 4 circles here. The operation here is cut. The extended type all. Make sure that the direction of this cut is to this direction and press OK. Now go to create a sketch, select this face here. Go to create, select slot, center to center slot. Make a slot here with 50 millimeters of distance here. And the radius here is 12 millimeters. Or 12 millimeters of diameter, 6 millimeters of radius, okay? Go to sketch dimension, the distance here 50 millimeters. The distance between this, the center of this slot and this edge here is 20 millimeters. And the distance of this point here and this edge here is 50 millimeters. Okay. Select line, construction line, click here in the mid plane, make a construction line here. and go to mirror, select this slot here. The mirror line is this construction line, press OK. We have this, okay? Finish the sketch. Go to extrude, select the two profile here, and make a cut here. Operation cut, extend the type all, and press OK. We made this, okay? Here we finish our exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and bye bye.